Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. First step is open a WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Then open a chat with the contacts. Then tap the name of the contacts or number. Then scroll down and then block is the second last option. Then tap block. After the processing, your number is blocked. If you want to verify, back and tap setting and drop down. Then tap account and tap privacy and tap blocked. Now you can see the all blocked number in this list.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.